Is your Honda Civic or Accord key fob unresponsive? A dead CR2032 battery is the most likely culprit. This section covers how to identify a low battery and replace it correctly. Common signs include the remote not locking or unlocking doors, or the remote start failing. The Honda Civic and Accord models from 2022 to 2025 use a 3-volt CR2032 battery. To replace it, locate the seam on your key fob and the small release button near the key ring. Use a flat tool like a screwdriver or coin to gently pry the halves apart. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can crack. Once open, note the battery's polarity with positive side up. Remove the old battery using a non-conductive tool and insert the new CR2032. Snap the case back together and test the functionality. If the fob still doesn't work, you may need to reprogram it. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by reprogramming it through your vehicle's infotainment system. Navigate to Settings, then Vehicle, and select Keyless Access System to reset the pairing. Next, clean the battery contacts with a dry cloth to remove any corrosion, which is a frequent cause of malfunction. Always use batteries from trusted brands like Energizer or Panasonic to avoid counterfeit cells that can lead to unreliable performance. Handle the battery carefully to avoid damaging the contacts during replacement. In humid climates, battery drain happens faster due to moisture. Apply dielectric grease to the contacts as a preventive measure. If problems continue after these steps, it may signal a more serious electrical issue that needs professional diagnosis. Remember, technicians report that 80% of key fob issues stem from dead batteries rather than hardware faults. DIY fixes cost between $10 and $20 compared to $50 to $100 at a dealership.